And we saw a day of heavy tech selling today. And is it more the sell in May, go away, or are there other reasons for it? Inflation, maybe even Janet Yellen comments that came out today, which really triggered some of the selling midday today. But the S&P had been down at its low point today, about 1.5%, closed down around 0.6%. The Dow was actually down below 34,000, down to about 33,765 at its low today before finishing near the flat line. But it was the NASDAQ that really took the brunt of the selling today. It was down at 13,500 at its low, over 3%, before closing down just less than 2%. Apple was down 4%. Microsoft was down 2%. And like I mentioned earlier, a lot of it may have been on the comments out of Janet Yellen that maybe rates have to go up sooner rather than later. Sooner rather than later. Earnings have been really good across the board, but have been met with selling. Yesterday, ES option data here, 342,000 options traded total, but really heavy on the put side. 77% of all options that traded yesterday were on the put side. Very biased there. The May 33.50 put was the volume leader. Those traded 4,500 times. Vol Q today, Vol in the NASDAQ space, actually spiked up over 24, which was the highest in about a month before settling in at about 13% higher in the day. And because of this vol increase that we saw across the board today, ES options pricing in a move to the end of the week of about $52. Talk about volatility. We've certainly seen it in Bitcoin and crypto space here. Big run up in Bitcoin and a big sell off today. Very active activity at the CME today, about 9,000 CME Bitcoin futures options, and the brand new product here at the CME, the micro Bitcoin futures, traded 21,000 contracts today. I may have just said options on the 9,000 for Bitcoin. Those were actually 9,000 futures, but the micro Bitcoin futures, 21,000 contracts.